One, two, three, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
What's up, Momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Momshi RMVD, a Filipino mom living in Dresden, Germany. So it's been a while since the last time we had unboxing and honest review vlog. So for today's video, we are going to unbox a product from moodytiger. It's a celebrated global activewear brands for the little ones, but if you're lucky, then you might have a size for yourself as an adult. The key elements of their products are active, comfortable, and versatile. That's why I'm super excited for this because they send us a pair for myself and for my daughter Miri, so we can have a twinning mother and daughter moment. So if you're ready, I'm very much ready. So let's get started. Los kids!
moodytiger is a fashionable activewear brand for children aged from 4 to 14 plus with stylish and functional design. It uses technical fabrics to provide clothing and accessories which are suitable for multi-scene wear. The company develops a high-tech fabrics to protect comfortable activewear for kids, thereby providing children with fashion-forward athleisure wear with high quality. Let's start to unbox the Nimble Pullover. In its package, you can see safety instructions written in 11 languages. The Nimble Pullover is designed with corrugated texture. It is lightweight, warm, and its fabric is composed of 51% cotton, 34% Modal, 12% Polyester, and 3% Elastane. It has a 4-way stretch, which makes it perfect for any sports activity, and a hoodie for a cooler weather. The Balance Seamless leggings feels ultra soft and super stretchy. Its main feature is seamless and smooth, perfect for school, practice, and play. It is made of polyamide, polyester, and elastane. Arm swingers, this one is definitely for you. It is lightweight, breathable, and fast drying. This tee moves when you do, then it eases back into shape every time. This tee is very breathable and lightweight. It also has soft and smooth texture. You're gonna love the fast drying and sweat wicking effect and its unique stretch sensation. Made out of 83% polyester and 17% elastane. This features an ever-cool black Maxlite fabric. It is super efficient at wicking away sweat and drying fast, while powered by cooling feeling, breathable fabric that allows you for cooling airflow. The tee is knit using a special technique that makes it incredibly lightweight yet opaque. It is also super soft and comfy too. The package also comes with cute stickers for the little ones. The Balance Seamless leggings is super comfy that it feels like I'm actually naked. As you can see, the leggings is a little bit longer than my size, so I just folded it inside and it still looks really good and perfectly fit. The moodytiger logo glows a little bit, which is really cute. And what really gets me is the hoodie, which is super perfect, especially when you're jogging outside. Miri really loves her new outfit. Now our daily dance routine is much better with our twinning activewear outfit from moodytiger.
Yeah, so we're out and now we're ready to have a jog, a little bit jogging around the area to try on our newest Moody Nimble Pullover. Sport, napaka-active na niya. It's actually super perfect for the weather. So it's around 16 degrees right now. And if you jogged, it's gonna be a little bit warm. But since we're having a pullover, so it's just perfectly comfortable. Laka. Nakalila daw siya.
It's definitely perfect for more energetic activities. Good news is that you can actually wash the Nimble Pullover and the girls' lightweight sports tee in the washing machine through the hand wash mode. And the Balance Seamless leggings is advisable to be hand washed.
What I really like about the Nimble Pullover is that it's designed with this corrugated texture. That's why it really gives you that extra sensory feel. So the 4-way stretch is actually great for more different energetic activities for children. And it's really perfect for cool weather right now. It's autumn, so we're definitely gonna use it when we go out for our playtime or for mini hiking adventures. And at the same time, you can also wear it on hot summer days because like what I said before, it's light warm. And the Balance legging is actually the perfect pair for the Nimble Pullover, not only because of its wonderful color as you've seen, but most especially because it fits perfectly and it's very smooth. It gives you that wonderful seamless feeling at the same time. I wish they also send me the girls' lightweight sports tee because I can definitely say that it's 100% legit lightweight and fast drying. So after I wash it in the washing machine in the hand wash mode, I hang it up and it dried up around 2 hours just inside our home on a very gloomy weather. So I really would love to have one of those. I can also say that the sportswear are true to its size. Like as you've seen, it's a little bit bigger to Mirabella because she's just 3.5 years old, and the size of the sportswears are 110. So it's just perfect for kids from age 4, around 4 to 5 years old. I am really proud to say that there's nothing not to like about the moodytiger sportswear. It's just there's a minor thing that the Balance seamless leggings are not advisable to wash in the washing machine, but I don't think it's a problem at all. Like what I did, it's very easy to wash it. It's like you're washing the stockings but thicker and with much better high quality materials. And it dried up after 24 hours that I hang it inside our home on a gloomy weather. I definitely recommend you mommies and friends to get some for your active kids and for yourself as well if you have small size like me. And it's really a perfect gift for this coming holidays. So if you want an 18% discount, just key my code ARMY18 to the link below. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!